Hey there. If you're tired of YouTube automatically playing the next video and you want to take full control of what you watch, you can easily turn off this feature in just a few steps. This is helpful if you prefer to finish one video at a time without getting distracted by the next suggestion. Opening the YouTube applications. When the home screen appears, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your U or profile icon. This is where all your personal account settings are located. Once you enter your profile section, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings gear-shaped icon. This will open a new menu that controls how YouTube behaves on your device. Now scroll carefully through the settings list until you find an option called playback or sometimes video and audio preferences, depending on your device version. Tap on it to open playback settings. Inside this section, you will see an option called autoplay next video. By default, this feature is turned on, so YouTube continues playing videos automatically after one ends. To stop this, simply tap the switch next to it and turn it off. Once disabled, the toggle will change color or move to the left, confirming it is turned off. Now you're set. No more unwanted automatic video playback.